Welcome to CNS Corvettes. It's Lyle here on my weekly podcast. I have some exciting news I want to share with you guys today. From time to time, we do develop and put out new products that we manufacture or have manufactured for the Corvette that fixes problems that GM doesn't address. And we also teach you how to do the fix so that you can utilize those parts safely and efficiently. What I'd like to introduce you to today is, in front of me, I have the 97 to 04 Corvette Sport Seat Lumbar Bladder Kit. Okay, lumbar bladder is that little inflatable sack behind your back and on either side of your abdomen that when you have sport seats and you move those switches, they inflate and they deflate. A lot of people who aren't the original owners of C5s and bought them used have no idea that this actually exists because these bags went bad about 3 years after the car was born. The real problem was, in the original design, these plastic nipples turned yellow, crumbled, and fell apart. And obviously when you have crumbled nipples, you have a real problem. Plus, you don't hold vacuum. So, we re-engineered ours. Ours will not have that issue. And entirely possible that your pump and your regulator and everything works great. You just have nothing to inflate in your seat. Replacing these takes about 20 minutes. Next week, I'll be shooting a video with a full crew here, professional video, to show you how to do that yourselves. And the good news is, these are available for $109 delivered to your door per seat. Now, compare that to the existing one on the market that has this great big plastic thing with it for $160. So, same 4 bags, except ours are better, and this for $160 bucks. This is a piece of plastic, okay? It's made out of the same stuff that a milk jug is made out of. And these don't go bad. All you have to do is take these little tabs and slide them onto here, and you've installed your new bladders, okay? So, didn't do that part because you don't need it and it costs too much money. Simple. Our bags are guaranteed and we're very proud of them. So if you have a need for these, or if you have questions about how they work, or even if you have them in your car, give me a call at 941-923-5064 or toll free at 800-886-5064. Or as always, you can catch me at csvet@comcast.net. Thanks for listening.